How to merge cells in an Excel worksheet? It's simple. I want to merge these cells into one cell. So first activate this cell, press mouse and drag to column L. Then click Home tab, Alignment group, click this arrow button. You have many options here. I want to place text inside the row 4 at center position. So I select this option. Click Merge and Center button. Now you can see text is in center position and these cells are converted into one cell. In alignment group you have many options. You can adjust the position of text by clicking these buttons. In font group you have many options here. Click this button. If you want to change the background color of text, then you can use Fill Color button. I select this color. If you want to change the color of text, then click Font Color button. I select this color. You can bold the text by clicking Bold button and change the size of text by clicking this button. I select 16. So, Fill Color command is used to change the background color of text and Font Color command is used to change the color of text.